Hey folks, the Old Biker Dude Show is an Old Biker Dude feature film presentation. Greetings everybody. Okay, y'all want to hear a little story? Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure featuring camping, cooking, and fishing. I'm an old biker dude, man. Let's go to Thunder in the Smokies. There's that mountain off in the distance right there, y'all. Is that not beautiful? I really love riding this stretch of road here. I especially love running up this little stretch of road here on 441 going over the mountain. The greatest thing about this area right here is that it's actually less than 2 hours from my house. Basically, I can be up in this area in less than 2 hours. If I'm not pulling my trailer, I can be, I can make it even quicker than that. check out those mountains, y'all, over in the distance. Is that not just absolutely beautiful? I love coming up to this area right here because, you know, once I can see these mountains that close, I know I'm there. Somebody got my spot over at number 1, so I guess I'll be set up over here in this very unlevel spot number 2. But I don't want to be down in one of these dips because right now it is raining. Not much. You probably can't even see it on film, but it's sprinkling, and I've been rained on a good bit here the last 45 minutes of the trip. But that's what makes the Smokies the Smokies. You know, the weather changes up here on a regular basis. The great thing about it is it's nice and cool outside. It's probably 80 degrees, whereas I know people down at sea level right now are burning up with these, you know, unbelievable temperatures all over the country. So this is really, really nice. But I'm gonna get the old bunkhouse set up, and then we'll get camp set up. Y'all ready? Here goes the snap. And there you go. We got home pretty much set up here. Do a quick solar check. We're at 87%. Not much sun out right now, so that'll easily carry my refrigerator all night. Right now it's at 39 degrees. It'll probably come down a little bit. 38, there we go. But I think I'm gonna jump on my bike over there and ride to Publix and go make me a little supply run, so I'll have plenty to eat for the next couple days. This is tucked up in here. This is really nice, man. If you lived on this road, it would move your blood pressure down in the evening just coming home. Good to get that trailer off my back. Like a whole different ball game. Looks like Thunder in the Smokies. Look at that beautiful mountain over there. Man, that's awesome, isn't it? Man, there's a pretty good bit of people here. I got to get me a new skull cap because I left mine at the campground here on my last series. Oh boy, I had the helmet for many years, man. But tomorrow I'm gonna come up here and see if I can get me a new one. See if I can find somebody to paint me a little insignia on the side of my bike that says "Old Biker Dude." The one with the handlebars that you see at the end of my videos. Here's what's really cool that you almost have to notice is that all these motorcycles look brand new. All the motorcycle helmets look new. 90% of the motorcycles appear to be brand new almost, or not very old. Let's just say that. People will get into the culture and they'll do this for a couple of years. It's sort of like a fad. It's like a culture of evolves from year to year to year. And I've been noticing that for the 30 some odd years that I've been going. I mean, I've been to them all over the years. And then of course there's me. And I don't look like any of them. My jacket's 30 something years old. It's got mold on the pocket trim from how many times it's been wet. My vest, the buttons are so rusty they won't even snap anymore.